This is a PCB micro loader. We can just click to run automatically. We need to place the PCB board in a grid. After the PCB is placed, just click automatic. This is a PCB stop lever. This stop lever is responsible for causing the PCB to press the switch below. The PCB needs to press the switches on both sides for the conveyor belt to work. The stop lever is responsible for aligning the PCB and then aligning the switch under the PCB. After the debugging is completed, we click automatic, and the PCB grid will automatically move down. When the switch is pressed on both sides of the PCB, the conveyor starts to work. The PCB grid will continue to decline until the PCB presses the switch on both sides, and then the transmitter pushes the PCB forward. The signal cable of this machine needs to be connected to an automatic printer, which sends signals to this machine. When the printer needs a PCB, it sends a signal to the PCB loader. When the PCB loader receives a signal from the printer, it pushes the PCB. If the printer does not send a signal, the loader will not feed the PCB. We have already connected the signals, so the loader is continuously feeding the PCBs. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. www.jhims.com